Okay, this is how we add the QR code to our photos. You start out by going to qrcode.photos. You end up here. There's a lot of information here. You can click on all of this and scroll up and down and see all the information. You click on Getting Started. It has a lot more information, step by step, setting everything all up. Okay? And I'm going to show you how this is all done. Basically, you first need to get an account. And in order to get an account, you need to go to the main page here, and you go to where it says Pricing. Click on Pricing. Pricing tells you how much it is. It's only $5.99 a month. You get up to 10,000 photos to upload per month, and it expires in 12 months. You click on the subscribe. When you click on subscribe, it will give you an account. And to show you how the account looks, we will go to My Account. My Account is over here, okay? Your account would totally be blank to start with. When you get an account, your account will have nothing there. You will need to add a new QR code with a date and the name of the event. And then you can check the box to show the event name, whatever you named it, Brenda and Jim's birthday, whatever. Okay? You can also share all photos. That would be a little dangerous because you only want the QR codes to show each individual photo. But it's not really dangerous, but you don't want them looking at all the other people's photos unless you wanted to use the QR code folder to show all the photos. Okay, so you could check that box also. Okay, once you filled that all in, you check the little check mark over here. And now we're on My Account where I've added a few different ones. Okay, so as you can see here, this was the one we just added, but I added it to the ones I already had. And you can go into each one of these and actually edit them. You can change the date, change the name, change whether or not you want to show the name of the event. I like to show the name of the event on all of mine, but I'm not sharing mine at this point. But if I had an event like the Nordic women down here, I'm going to check that box there, so I added the yes. If I go down to the Nordic women box, I might want to share that with everybody, and everybody can look at it. Okay? So that you can see how that looks. Now, let's go into the one that I had from before that has show the event. Let me make sure that these are all on yes. Real quick. Click this one. Put it on yes. Click this one here. Put it on yes. Click this one here and put it on yes. Okay, so I'm going to go into this one here, the testing, and to get into it, where the actual photos are, is clicking on the ID. When you click the ID, it will open this window with all of the photos you've added. Yes, you can also add the the GIF images can also be added. So they can basically, this is your gallery, but when they click on their photo, okay, their QR code, this is what they will see. Their QR photo with the name of the event at the top, and they can download it or send it to their Facebook page or send it to their Twitter page, whatever they wanted to do, okay? So they could do that, okay? So back over here, that's how they grab those. You have the ability of making it so that each one of these, you can hide it. So if they were to click on this, it won't bring up this page. okay, when they go to their QR code, because that page will be hidden, okay? So you have that ability. You can delete them, all right? You can have as many as, let's look up here, I've got 8 per page. I can put up to 16 on a page, or just 4 on a page, okay? 4 on a page, 8 on a page, 12 on a page, and it added another one because there was another page before. But if I go back to 4 on a page, I've got 3 pages. Go to the next page, go to the next page, and so on, okay? So that's how I've got it set up. Now I'm going to go back to my gallery because this is my account. So you have a lot of different things you can change around in the account. You cannot delete a folder, okay, if it has any photos in it, okay? This one has 9, that one has 4, this one has 4, and that one has 4. So I cannot, if I try to delete that, it will not let me delete it, okay? Because it has photos, it has photos in it. But actually you can still delete it, okay? So when you click on that, it says okay, yes or no, okay, and you would delete it, all right? Things have been updated, and before you couldn't delete it without it being empty, okay? So, but you can make changes, and it's really, really convenient in the QR code. So if you've got the QR code photos over here, and you've got an account, you're all set. Let's try it out.